I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti FX35 trunk. First, we'll cover the convenient interior button, usually found on the driver's side. Then, I'll show you how to use your key fob for remote access, which is super handy. Finally, we'll look at the manual release, a crucial backup for any power issues. Let's get started. The interior trunk release button is typically located on the lower left side of your dashboard, near the driver's door. Simply press this button firmly, and you should hear the trunk unlatch. Always ensure your Infiniti FX35 is in park before attempting to open the trunk from inside the cabin, ensuring your safety and preventing accidental movement. For remote access, simply press and hold the trunk icon button on your Infiniti FX35 key fob for a few seconds. The trunk will pop open. If you encounter a power failure or a dead battery, locate the manual release lever. This is usually a small, glow-in-the-dark handle or a lever found inside the trunk lid itself, near the latch mechanism. If your trunk isn't opening, first check for any items obstructing the lid or latch. Sometimes, a simple object can prevent it from fully releasing. Also, inspect the latch mechanism for any visible debris or damage that might be interfering with its operation. A quick clean can often resolve minor issues. And for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.